Growing up, every time I ate pho, my mom never let me touch the chili sauce on the table. She said it wasn't clean, probably not even made from real chili, just full of chemicals and preservatives. So my whole life I actually never ate pho with those bottled chili sauce that everyone squeezes on top. But now that I've learned how to make my own hot sauce from real chilies, fresh ingredients, I kind of feel like chili sauce isn't that bad after all, at least when you know what goes into it. I still remember the way we eat pho back in my hometown. We need a proper compo. The black sauce, fresh cut chili, chili paste, and that orange chili sauce. I used everything except the sauce. That part was always off limits for me. So, making my own now feels like unlocking something I missed all those years. It's spicy, tangy, a little sweet, and full of personality. Chili sauce is just fun. You can eat with anything, from dipping French fries or pairing it with Asian boiled meat. It makes everything taste a little more exciting. So here it is, my version of what I was never allowed to have as a kid. Now make clean, fresh, and totally mine.